Everyone, Matthew Letendre here. Welcome to my next video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change out videos in lead capture pages and sales pages in Power Lead System. But before we get started, I just wanted to continue something from my last video. If you go to marketing and then you go to share codes, if you click this button right here where it says click for share codes right here, just click that button and it'll take you to a website that will answer all your questions about share codes and different things. But it also, if you click here where it says capture pages, you have different examples of pages that you can copy. There's a ton of them here. And then you also have sales pages here as well, so you can use those as templates for videos as well. So now I'm going to show you how to change out a video. So this is just a video page I copied so I could show you guys how to change out a video. So the way you do that, by default, all the pages have YouTube, but I'm also going to show you how to add a Vimeo link in there as well. Excuse me. So I'm going to show you how to change out a video. So we're going to start with YouTube. So you see this code here from the / all the way over to the question mark. You want to take that out. Every YouTube video has a code that you want to take out. So from the / to the you just take that code out, and if you notice right here, there's a code at the end of every video. So what we're going to do is we are going to copy it, and we're also going to add it into here. So the original video was something for Power Lead System. I'm going to add one of my own videos into this thing here. We're going to hit OK, and then we're going to hit Save Changes right down here. And then we're going to hit View. And it's one of my videos. I just added one of my videos into this page. So that's how you do it with YouTube. Now I'm going to show you how to do it with Vimeo, and I figured this out on my own. I'm a very technical type of guy, so I just took a random video like this, and all I did was I took, see where it says share here? What you want to do is you want to, right here where it says embed, you want to highlight the entire thing and then hit Control-C to copy it. And then what you want to do is you want to open like a notepad or a Word document, and you want to put the entire code here. And the reason why you want to do that is because you want to copy this part right here. So from the HTTP all the way over to the just before the question mark, you want to highlight that, hit Control-C to copy it, and then we're going to come back to this. We're going to come back to our edit, and we're going to double click on the iframe to bring this back up. And then what we want to do here is right from the question mark right here, we want to get rid of the entire thing. So there's nothing left here. Now we want to hit Control-V to paste this video in, and we're going to hit OK, and then we're going to hit Save Changes, and then we're going to hit View. And then we're going to click that link there, and there's a new video here. And this is a Vimeo. Vimeo is another YouTube-like site where you can upload videos, and that's how you do it. And it works just like anything here. So that's how you do it. And if you want to change it, all you got to do is come back to edit. And if you notice right here, every Vimeo video has a bunch of numbers at the /. So when you want to get the right one, this highlight, copy, and paste that number at the end of the video link, and you click on the iframe, and then what we're going to do is you'll just, again, from the / all the way to the question mark, that's where you're going to put in your new code at the end of the video. So if you have a video that you want to use, you just find that numeric code at the end of the link, and then you just copy and paste it right into here. Now remember, when you're doing things in Power Lead System, you have to hit Control-C to copy, and then Control-V to paste it. So that's how you change out videos in your sales pages in Power Lead System. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. And I will have more content coming out this week. I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.